we divide 349 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 4. So it became 14, and 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we get 0. So now again we put down the number beside this 9, and we remove this 0. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2, and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it is 10, and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 349 divided by 2 is 174 decimal 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.